In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 not launching EA error. So what you need to do is go to this PC and here go to C drive. Down here go to program file 86. So you might have to look inside this program files or maybe this. So according to where it's saved. So for me, I found it here. So if you press E, you'll find the folder. It's called EA games. So like I said, you might have to search inside this if you don't find it here. And then here you want to go here, you will be able to see the FIFA 23 folder here. So I don't have it here, but you will be able to see it here. And I'm going to show an example for this game. You can follow the same steps for FIFA 23. So you would go inside the folder and the file that says FIFA.exe, the game file, you would right click it, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, and then disable full screen optimization, and then run this program as an administrator. Then you would click apply and OK. After this, you would go back and try to check if your issue has been fixed. If it's not fixed, what you can do is try to uninstall the game completely and reinstall it. So there's two ways. You can either go to control panel, programs, and here you can just manually uninstall it by finding the game and just right click and then uninstall. Or you could go to the launcher, like go to either Steam or Epic Games, wherever you have the game installed, and just uninstall it from there. Or you can just install it from here, like just select the folder and just right click and then uninstall. And after you uninstall it, try reinstalling the game and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then open CMD. You want to open CMD and run it as an administrator. So just right click, run as administrator. And then let me just place this here. Here you need to run the following folders. So the ISM/online, cleanup image, restore health, and then press enter. Then next command sfc/scan now and press enter. And this might take a few minutes. And once it's done, run this second command, which is ipconfig/renew. And then run this another command, which is ipconfig/DNS. And after it's done, try to restart the computer. And before restarting it, make sure you go to task manager and just remove every FIFA 23 folder. So if you see FIFA 23 running here, just right click and then end task. If you see like Epic Games or Steam, right click and then end task. You want to make sure you don't have like multiple folders and like games running at the same time. And then after that, just restart your computer and you're good.